Hey guys, this week's project is a little doozy that I picked up last weekend. We're going to refinish this table and chairs. It is metal and I'm just going to give it a good scrub down and give it a paint. So here we go with the metal brush. The main thing we're trying to do here is just get the loose flakes of paint off. We don't actually want to take all the old paint off. There's no real need to, but we do want to try and get any flaky bits or bits that need a bit of a clean up. We want to get those sort of cleaned up, and then we've got a nice good surface to paint. Okay, so now we've just finished doing the, the high pressure hose on the furniture, just to give it a bit of a once over, get all the flecks off. So now we weren't quite content with the table, so we're just giving it a tiny bit more of a brush. And we're going to let it drip dry, and then we'll be ready for painting. Hi guys, welcome back to On the Weekend. This is our second day of doing the table and chairs, and today we're going to undercoat and spray, so just enjoy and follow along.
Loki.
Once closer.
Here's our supervisor. Alright, got these ready to, the undercoat's done and going to be doing the final coat.
So we've finished the first coat of the white on these. We definitely think that they need another coat. We're going to let them dry for a couple of hours, and then we're going to give them another go, and they should come up pretty good. I think they look good already.
Gonna go have a look?
Finished.
Supervisor Loki is going to go survey it, make sure it's all okay. Yep.
Approved.
Seal of approval.
So, I think a job well done.
That worked out well.
It did. This is exactly what I'd pictured in my mind, and this is exactly what I pictured doing afterwards. So that's a successful project. Another successful weekend.
Yeah.
Well, maybe they should join us next weekend for another project. And on the weekend.